Section 1.6, average daily balance. We start off with basically a discussion of what's going on there. An average daily balance is related to an open-ended loan, so like your credit cards, for example. And with your credit cards, depending on how much you charge that month, affects the payment necessary. On the flip side, a closed loan or a fixed loan, there it is when you pay the exact same thing from month to month. That's a fixed loan, which is not a credit card. So as we say here, credit cards use an average daily balance. That little black and white booklet that you get when you get a credit card that no one reads and everyone instantly throws out. You know who you are, everyone. It talks about the average daily balance. You definitely should read it because it's telling you how you're being charged your finance charge. All right. Next up is the definition of an average daily balance. The average daily balance is the amount that exists in an account over a period of time, usually monthly, and it's calculated by adding the daily balances for the entire period and dividing by the number of days in that period. In other words, you may have heard of a weighted mean, or which we're going to do in a couple chapters. We're going to also see this as expected value. It's the exact same formula. So we see this guy 3 times, this type of formula. We have 2 versions of it. We have one that's nice, where you start off with no beginning balance and the cycle begins on the first. And then the second version is when you start off with an incoming balance and the cycle starts in the middle of this month. The big thing for average daily balance is you have to know how many days are in each month. It's not going to kill you. You can Google the knuckle trick. If I had knuckles, there they are. You can sort of see. Or you can sing that song, 30 days. Yeah, it's crazy. All right, watch the 2, and that concludes chapter 1.